Well, we're back out, trying down in the valley again. Unbelievably, there's still some snow in this back corner. And it's what, April the 18th today? And our first coin came out of right there. And it's an orange Young Lizzie. Looks like 53 or 63. Can't quite tell. Oh well. One of the two. Catch you on the next. Oh, just dug up. Looks like I hit it in the center. An old rusty spoon. Definitely not silver. Starting to rain pretty good. We just got our second coin. Hopefully it doesn't last. And who do we have? Looks like it's going to be a wheatie. Yeah, it's definitely a wheat. Juan Santos. All right, here comes the rain. Oop. Let's carry on and see what else we can get. All right, we just got another deep penny. That was ringing up like a high. Oh, another wheatie. Another wheat. Okay, that's 2 wheats to 1 Young Lizzie. Cool. Well, it's raining off and on. Everything's getting wet. Semi-wet ground. But we got silver. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Who is it this time? I can't tell, but I'm thinking it's going to be a Young Lizzie. Let me clear this picture up for you. All right, let's see who we got together. Oops, dropped it. Oh, a Georgie. We got us a Georgie. 43 maybe? Hard to tell. All right, 80% silver. Catch you on the next. Well, the rain's let up for a little bit, which is a good thing. We just got a penny. Let's see who we have together. It was very shallow. Oh, are you kidding me? Is it another wheatie? Yes, it is. It's another wheat. Man, that's 3 wheaties today so far. 1 Young Lizzie. Yeah, that's a wheat. 1 Young Lizzie penny and 1 KG 6 dime and the old spoon so far. Rusty bent old spoon. Okay, we got a wheat. Right in the hole with the wheatie. Yes. An old screwdriver. An old flathead. Alright. That's probably why I picked out that with the little coil. Right in the hole there with it. Always check them though. Alright, well, another penny in the clump. Who is it this time? Wow, that's a green one. Oh, looks like it's going to be a George this time. Yep, that's a Georgie. 42. Sweet. Sweet. Okay, carry on. Well, the rain's coming back, man, and there's some serious thunder going on. But we just got something cool. getting a few of these lately. Looks like we got another skeleton key. Very cool. Always like getting the skeleton keys. Sweet, 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 sweet. Man, that rumble is getting loud. Okay, let's carry on. Might have to work my way out here pretty soon. Wow, folks, the rain's really coming down, but look what I just dug out. A little telescope. Wow, that's kind of bizarre. That sounded really good. Made of brass. Sweet, sweet. It is pouring. I gotta seek shelter. Whew. A little shelter under this tree. It's changed awfully quick. Pouring out. That was a pretty cool telescopic thing I got there. Had to run for it. I wonder if there's any kind of name on it. I highly doubt you can see through that sucker anymore. That's cool though. Might get cut short today. Thank goodness for this big tree. Thank goodness for this big tree. Okay. We'll wait it out a few minutes. There's been some crazy thunder though. Some crazy thunder. I mean, the skies don't look too bad though. We'll give it a bit, see what happens. Yeah, thank goodness for this little patch of trees here. These pine trees giving me some shelter. Okay, we'll wait it out a few minutes, see what happens. Well, the rain has let up a bit, and we just got the barrel of an old cap gun. Feeling kind of wet, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to stay anyway. We'll see. Barrel of a cap gun. Cool. Get you on the next. Well, there's the trees that I had my shelter under. Stay out of the rain. And this stuff is fine. This old guy playing the fiddle. Cool. I am going to just set him right on top here. And then proudly sit and do his thing. Alright, well, we're starting to work our way out. It's so muggy now. Feel all damp and yucky. So if we get anything, we'll see you then. If not, we'll see you on the rock. Can you see all the deer? There's one over there. There's a bunch over there. They're all staring at me. Hey, fellas. There goes one over there. Oh yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably more. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna bother you. You guys just go do your thing. Hey. Yeah. Look at your big ears. Look at your big ears. And your big tails. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, I'm trying to get past these guys. I don't want to bother them, so I guess I'm going to have to walk around a bit. Cool. All right. Well, I'm almost at the top. It was down there. Still got to go quite a ways over that way. But I'm going to go along the top because I didn't want to make those deer have to move. Almost there. Whew. It was quite the climb. Quite the climb. Okay. There's a little bit I can swing off top of this ridge, so if I find anything, I'll show you. If not, we'll see you at home. Okay, little wrap up from today's hunt. It got pretty wet out there. That rain came down pretty good, so not too many finds, but it was still good to get out while it lasted. We got this cap gun barrel. Sounded really good. We got this bent old rusty spoon, although I think I bent it when I was digging it out. It looks like a pretty fresh bend. And we got this old flathead screwdriver. We got this very cool old skeleton key. Still got the little nubs there, how it used to unlock the door. Pretty good shape, actually. Nice little key. And we got this pirate telescope. It looks like it used to slide in and out, but it's seized up. Can't see any name on it anywhere unless it's on the piece inside there. Glass is a little cracked in there. Pretty corroded there, but mainly looks like brass or copper. I would assume brass. Pretty cool. Didn't get too many coins today. We got 3 Wheaties. We got a 1941, a 1946, and what I think is a 1947, although it could be a 49. It's hard to tell on that one. We got a 1953 Young Lizzie. We got a 1942 KG6. And we got a 1942 KG6 silver dime. 80% silver. Sweet. All in all, it was a pretty good little hunt until the rain came down and then I just got too soggy. All right. Thanks for coming out. We will see you on the next adventure, folks. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.